Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going back from Chennai to Bangalore, and we have booked an Indigo flight and we are on the way to the airport, passing through the checking and the COVID tests and all that stuff. So let's see, come on along with us and join us in our journey. This is the taxi drop-off point in the Chennai airport. There we have asked for wheelchair assistance at the Indigo desk, and that's right inside. Usually if you need a wheelchair assistance for a senior citizen, you don't need to have ask outside. Cross in the security check-in center of Indigo, and then as a request for wheelchair assistance. You can ask for wheelchair assistance online too. This will save you a lot of hassles. We're done with PPE kits. Parents have been taken perfectly well cared for by Indigo. Prepare the PPE kits and then they take them into the aircraft, where in fact we have not asked or not filed any e-passes to get back into Bangalore, using our tickets and boarding the flight. Lovely piece of sculpture in the center of the airport. Finally, we have passed a security check. In fact, Chennai airport is filled with all these bronze statues in every nook and corner. It's a lovely sight compared to other airports. Finally, we have checked in. We are waiting for our aircraft to arrive. It's a good waiting lounge. As we waited to board the aircraft, we ordered some coffee and biscuits from the coffee shop nearby. Let's sip our coffee. Total bill came for 4 coffees and some biscuits. It came around 720 rupees. It's pretty steep for, but the size of the coffee is pretty big. I think around 300-400 ml. Pretty strong coffee, but they made it very nicely. Next flight is at 8:15, and this is our flight which leaves to Bangalore. You can check out that board over there. That gives the information, and it's in gate 6 and 7. As we waited for our flight, we wanted to check out the shops in the airport, and apparently we came across this artifact shop. In fact, there were many exquisite statues made out of bronze, especially this statue, which was around 42,000 and odd. Apart from the other statues that was there, this Nataraja statue stood out really well, and it was around 52,000 and odd. You can check out this place in Madras Airport, and this shop is called Namaste Chennai, which was a superb shop for all artifacts and bronze items. We continued to walk around the airport, checking out other shops and clothing apparel shops too. This is a very good showroom where they sell t-shirts with good wordings on it. In fact, when I was studying in college, these shirts was a craze actually. Nice good t-shirts. I like this wording. As we checked out the airport, we came across this shop that sells very good dress materials.
Here is an option to rate our restrooms here. Good, average, poor, foul smell, rubbish, bin, and etc. etc. We can rate our toilet by pressing any of the things. And I also went to the toilet and it was pretty good. Click here, QR code. We have to download the app and scan this QR code, and we have to rate the toilets. It's a new thing I have seen. I didn't see anything in the Bangalore airport like this.
Apart from the shops and restaurants that were available, there are also sleep couches where a passenger can sleep for a bit of time while waiting for the flight. This is a very good facility provided by any airport. We saw this restaurant that sells only instant Maggi noodles, which is kind of good for any traveler, especially I like Maggi. I'm not sure. How about you? We had come across this popcorn seller in the airport, and he had a nice good sales of popcorn. So this is Krug and Company, and what is this is 110, a small bowl, and this is 140. Okay. What are the different flavors you have?
Three flavors.
So what are those flavors? Can you explain it?
Sweet chili, sour cream onion, cheese.
This is sweet chili, yeah?
Sweet chili,
Okay.
sour cream onion, cheese.
What is it?
Sour cream onion, sir.
Oh, sour cream and onion. Okay, so this is sweet chili barbecue, sour cream and onion, and this is cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, so there are three flavors over there. Probably we will try the cheese and the sweet chili barbecue. Do you sell this mix separately or?
Separate.
Oh, you sell this separately? This mix? So you drop in the mix into that. This machine takes 2 minutes for it to prepare its popcorn. So this was a salted corn that they placed in this machine. After which they will be adding the flavoring. You can hear the popcorns pop. I think once all the popcorn is popped in this machine, they just drop it into the. So now popcorns are popped out, and he just throws it, the salted popcorns, into the into his cut, fills in the popcorn. Now what do we need to do next?
Seasoning.
We can add the seasoning on this. Okay, let's try it.
Other one, sir.
Yeah, another one is we will take the cheese. And we got our popcorn with cheese and sweet chili. So for both these popcorns, the cost came around 220 rupees. The QR code which we can make a transfer, and the payment can be done. So let's chase our cheese popcorn.
That is the taste of cheese.
Aha, that's good. And this is
Sour chili one. Chili barbecue. Yeah, put.
so cheese, popcorn, tasty, yummy. The strong flavor of cheese.
Need butter, sir?
Yeah, that will be good.
Butter?
How do you add butter in that? Oh, separately? Oh, no need. And this is chili popcorn. Kind of sweet, chili, different flavor. Very nice. I'm sitting in the center seat, so I have to wear the PPE kit. Apart from the PPE kit, I had to also wear the face shield for extra protection. Now we got our seats and we are all set to fly out of Chennai to Bangalore. And now the plane is on the runway for a takeoff. And this is the beautiful city of Chennai from the sky above. Oh, isn't it beautiful? And now the plane passes through some black clouds. Wow, what a scene it was. You should definitely see Chennai from the sky. It's such a beautiful and awesome scene, especially in the night time to fly over Chennai. We almost reached Bangalore. and it's hardly 10 minutes to touchdown. This is Bangalore city from the sky above. What a beautiful sight. Finally, we have touched down into Bangalore airport and we have a lot of formalities to complete, we thought. So we waited for all the passengers to get down from the plane before we too got down. Finally touched down and we are waiting to get back to the terminal, or the waiting lounge, so that we can take our car and drive back home. But it was a good journey though. We were waiting on the tarmac for my parents to come down, and also the ground staff was really helpful in getting them off the aircraft. We have been transported into the lounge area by Indigo's bus. Now we have to dispose our PPE kits in this waste bin over here. This kit over here, and along with our face shield too. Finally we are in the airport lounge and it was a good journey. Now we head out to the exit gates. Finally I've reached our destination safely into Bangalore. There was no troubles of e-ticket or any mandatory passes. Now we are heading to our car park where we're going to take our vehicle, and that's about it. There's no formalities from Chennai Bangalore, and there's no issues about e-passes and other regulatory processes. So if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. Please like our channel, share it with your friends if you found our video really useful. Now it's already late, we're getting back home and we have to start a new day tomorrow. So take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.